Hi, my dear kids.
Welcome to Easy Learn Funny Learn.
In this video, we are going to see about SOF NSO, our body chapter.
Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.
Hi, my dear kids. Can we start? First one. The organ in the diagram helps us in A. Seeing, B. Hearing, C. Smelling, D. Eating. So first see the diagram. It's a picture of ear. So we all know for seeing we will use eyes. For hearing we will use ear. For smelling we will use nose. For eating mouth. So the picture ear helps us in hearing. So the correct answer is option B. Second one. The organ illustrated in the following diagram is dash A. Heart, B. Lungs, C. Kidneys, D. Stomach. So the organ shown in the following diagram is heart. So option A is the correct answer. This question was asked in 2012 SOF NSO. Third one. How many bones are present in a human body? A. 200, B. 150, C. 206, D. 350. So, the number of bones present in adult human body is 206. So, option C is the correct answer. Fourth one. The bones present inside the head is called A. Skull, B. Spine, C. Ribcage, D. Vertebral column. So, the bone present inside the head is skull, and rib cage is the cage of bone in the chest, and vertebral column lies at the back. So, therefore, option A is the correct answer. The bone present inside the head is called skull. Fifth, find the odd one out. A. Eyes, B. Nose, C. Ears, D. Heart. So, eyes, nose, ears are sense organ. Heart is the internal organ. So, the odd one out is heart, option D. Sixth, find the analogy. Digestive system, digestion. Muscular system, A. Respiration, B. Muscles, C. Excretion, D. Bones. So we know digestive system is associated with digestion. Muscular system is associated with muscles. So option B is the correct answer. Next one. Complete the analogy. Digestive system, digestion. Muscular system, A. Respiration, B. Muscles, C. Excretion, D. Bones. So, digestive system is associated with digestion. Similarly, muscular system is associated with muscles. Respiratory system is associated with respiration. And then excretory system is associated with excretion. So, the correct answer is muscles, B. Seventh, dash makes our bones and muscles strong. A. Swimming, B. Sleeping, C. Listening to music, D. Playing games like Ludo. This question was asked in 2016 SOF NSO. So, activities like swimming, cycling, jogging, etc. and various exercises will make our muscles strong. So the correct answer is option A. Swimming makes our bones and muscles strong. Eighth one. Which one of the following system is responsible for producing young ones of its own kind? A. Excretory system. B. Circulatory system. C. Muscular system. D. Reproductive system. So, reproductive system is responsible for producing young one of its own kind. So, no doubt, correct answer is option D. Reproductive system. Ninth one. Which one of the following organs can be compared with the pump? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Kidney. D. Brain. So, heart is usually compared with the pump. So, correct answer is option A. 10th one. Select the option which on unscrambling gives the term used for supporting framework of the body. A. NKEOLSET. B. USEMLCS. C. TNJSOI. D. SBENO. So, my dear kids, first try to unscramble. So, while unscrambling, we get A. Skeleton. B. Muscles. C. Joints. D. Bones. So, the supporting framework of our body is skeleton and it is formed by unscrambling option A. So, option A is the correct answer. 11th one. Which of the following is required by our body? A. Oxygen. B. Urine. C. Sweat. D. Carbon dioxide. So, oxygen is required by our body. And the other option, urine, sweat, carbon dioxide or waste product which are excreted by using our excretory system. So, the correct option is option A, oxygen. What controls all our activities of seeing, hearing, learning, thinking and feeling? A. Skeletal system. B. Muscular system. C. Nervous system. D. Circulatory system. This question was asked in 2013 SOF NSO. So, nervous system will controls all our activities of seeing, hearing, learning, thinking and feeling. So, the correct option is option C. 13th. Which of the following organs help us in the sense of sight? A. Eyes. B. Nose. C. Leg. D. Ear. So we all know eyes help us in the sense of sight. Nose help us in the sense of smell. Leg help us in the sense of feel walking. Ear help us in the sense of hearing. So, the correct answer is option A, eyes. 14th one. Which of these are used mainly for the sense of smell? A, eyes. B, nose. C, leg. D, hand. So, we all know nose help us for the sense of smell. So, the correct answer is option B. 15th one. Support, movement, protection, blood cell protection, calcium storage. They all are part of which system? A. Skeletal system, B. Nervous system, C. Muscular system, D. Respiratory system. Support, movement, protection, blood cell protection, calcium storage. They all are part of skeletal system. So the correct answer is option A, 16th one. The system which forms the framework for the body is A. Circulatory system, B. Excretory system, C. Reproductive system, D. Skeletal system. Skeletal system forms the framework for the body. It gives the shape and support for the body. So the correct answer is option D. Skeletal system is the system which forms the framework for the body. 17th one. Select the correct match among the following. A. A spongy pump for gases. Stomach. B. A muscular bag for food. Lungs. C. A muscular pump. Heart. D. All of these. So, A is a picture of stomach, which is a muscular bag for digestion of food. So, it's a wrong match. B. B is a picture of lungs, which is a spongy organ for exchange of gases. So, it is also wrong match. C. The picture is heart, which is a muscular pump which pumps blood throughout the body. So the correct match is option C. 18th one. Which organs are parts of the digestive system? 1. Stomach, 2. Small intestine, 3. Lungs, 4. Blood. Option A 1 and 4. Option B 2 and 4. Option C 1 and 2. Option D 1, 2 and 4. So, stomach and small intestine are the parts of digestive system. Lungs are the part of respiratory system and blood is the part of circulatory system. So the correct match, stomach and small intestine are the parts of digestive system. That is option C is the correct answer. 19th one. Number of bones in human skeletal system is A 206, B 208, C 306, D 308. So the number of bones in adult human skeletal system is 206. Option A is the correct answer. 20th one. The number of muscles present in our body is A 700, B 600, C 106, D 206. So the number of muscles present in our body is 600. So option B is the correct answer. 21. Complete the analogy. Kidney, excretory system, intestine. A. Respiratory, B. Muscular, C. Digestive, D. Circulatory. So kidneys are associated with excretory system. Similarly, intestine is associated with digestive system. So correct answer is option C. 22. Which organ of our body belongs to both respiratory and the excretory system? A. Lungs, B. Skin, C. Kidneys, D. Intestine. So the organ of our body which belongs to both respiratory and excretory system is lungs. So lungs is used to remove carbon dioxide from our body. Skin will remove waste in the form of sweat. Kidney will remove the waste in the form of feces or urine. So, the organ which belongs to both respiratory and excretory system is lungs. Option A is the correct answer. 23rd. Which of the following organs is not used during digestion? A. Pancreas, B. Stomach, C. Lungs, D. Liver. So no doubt, lungs is used for respiration, which is not used during digestion. So the correct answer is option C. Thank you, my dear kids, for watching this video. I hope you all understand and enjoyed this video.
Please watch my next video for travel and communication. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.